Hi everyone, my name is Doreen and my company is Neora. I'm coming to you today to tell you about our Age IQ Day Cream. We are an holistic company, so everything is natural. Um, we are based in the US and we've been in business for 12 years. So, um, this has our own patented SIG 1273. Why it's named that is because it took 1,273 times before they found the right formula. This will help with aging skin, with your fine lines, your enlarged pores, your discoloration, and also for hydration. Um, So it helps to mimic your skin's natural protections to diminish the signs of aging. It also helps to bind moisture for long-lasting hydration during the day. 94% of people that did use this had seen a reduction in the appearance of fine lines. 88% had seen reduction in overall brightness and moisturization with continued use. And um, so this is very easy to use. So in the morning, what I do is I cleanse my face. Okay. Then after that, I just take a couple of squirts. Okay. And then I rub it into my face. Okay. And then you can also put it on your neck, on your décolleté if you like, and also on your hands because as we age, we tend to get discoloration in our hands. So this will help with that discoloration. This product has no parabens, no synthetics, no colorants. Again, like I said before, we're an holistic company, so everything is all natural. So this is not the size that it comes in. This is just my travel size. The regular bottle is like twice the size. Unfortunately, I ran out, so I'm waiting for it to come in. So I'm using this one right now. Um, but you can just feel it. It makes your skin feel so soft and so nice. Um, it also even your hands. Okay, this time of year, especially in the winter, I mean, hydration is very important. I mean, not only should you also, be drinking a lot of water to help with the hydration, but you need something to protect your skin. So if you have any questions on this, please feel free to reach out to me. Um, if you like my video, I would ask you please to click the like button below. Um, and if, again, any comments, just comment below. If you need any more information, I have plenty of information that'll tell you about this product. So I hope you all have a great day, and I will talk to you again soon. Thanks. Bye.